The dog is now scared of the camera. Come here. What? Come here. Come here, darling. Come here, Bella. Come here. Hi. There you go. Are you scared for you goofy girl? You goofy girl. Maybe you're just being silly. Are you just being silly? Huh? Bye. Hello.
Hi. 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 Hi.
Are you wet?
Getting something.
You doing, Landon? What is she doing?
Now I'm dry. And it's still spinning.
But you're already wet. Achoo! Excuse me. Your hair's all wet. Thank you. There comes a little man. What you got?
Space shuttle.
Oh, you made a space shuttle out of wood.
Soggy crown.
Soggy crown.
Show them it. And a potato that just wanted to go
I
by
want to look
itself.
at our garbage.
What is that for?
It's a garbage can.
Look out in it, Landon.
No, I wouldn't look in it.
I wouldn't. There might be some old Spider-Man action figures. You might not want me to come look out front. You should see it. There's lots of flowers really big.
Oh, the daisies.
What? How
The
did they
daisies?
get them?
Oh, they're wildflowers. They just grew there.
Let's go check them again. These are still there. Come on.
I can't bring the camera out in the rain. Did you want to take it under your umbrella to show them?
Okay, Mama.
You gotta keep it underneath though, okay?
Why?
So it can't get wet.
Okay.
It's not under. There you go.
Titi, going up front to see flowers. Flowers. Here's the garbo. Hopscotch daisies. Big daisies. Winnie Poohs. And there's some giant daisies. And look at the flowers. Growing big because of the rain. Look at that one.
Hi.
I didn't lock the door. I didn't lock the door. I didn't close it up first. Hello. 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 Hello.
What are you building?
Hi. A spaceship. I'm trying to build a building.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, but it keeps falling down. No.
Oh. Brookie, what are you doing?
Playing with Blanky.
Brooklyn's had Blanky since she was 9 months old. Her Grammy bought it for her. And she can't sleep without it.
Finally, I made a building.
Awesome. Not doing too much. I'm getting ready to make supper. I'm going to make shepherd's pie. Maybe I'll show you me making it. Is that exciting? I don't know. But this is a vlog of our lives, and that's what we're doing, so I'm guessing I should show it. I'm just browning the hamburger. I like mine really cooked because, yeah, I'm not a fan. I'm actually not a fan of meat. I mean, I'll eat it, but I don't know. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to add things to that, so I'll show you. So I'm just using the McCain's Premium Papa's potatoes. They're quite big. The fluorescent light's giving them like this greenish tinge. Sorry about that. But yeah. It says to use about 4 pounds. I'm guessing that's 4 pounds roughly. Because these potatoes are huge. Big, like giant potatoes. I ended up only using about half the potatoes. Because, I don't know. I don't think I need any more than that. Everything looks yellow and green. So the lighting. So now I'm just going to chop up my veggies and get them ready to add to the beef mixture. And I'm not Martha Stewart, people, or Rachel Ray. Yeah, so don't mind my lame instructions. I love spying on them. They're so funny. What are they doing? Okay, so I've got my veggies ready. I chopped up 1 onion. And, oh, that lighting is just awful. I used frozen corn, peas, and carrots that I had unthawed last night. I prefer the frozen ones. I just find them a little more fresher. Canned works well as well, if you prefer that. Now I'm just going to dump it in with the beef that I just drained the fat out of. Go make sure I get everything. Don't want to waste anything. Looks yummy already. Go. A bowl aside. So yes, I'm just going to mix all that in. I'm going to add some garlic and some spices and some beef broth, and then I'll be back. This shepherd's pie, for those of you who don't know, is an Irish dish. My grandmother was Irish, hence my pale skin, freckles, and reddish brown hair. So if you guys like minced garlic, which I love because it's just so much easier, I highly recommend the organic one from Costco. You get a ton, and it seriously lasts you forever. So I just added some garlic powder, some onion powder, some salt and pepper, some butter. I use real butter just because I find the flavors better. And I'm just stirring it for about 7 to 10 minutes so the veggies can get sauteed. I mix them right in with the beef because I find you get more flavor. The recipe calls that you do it separately, but anyway. So yeah, on to the next step. Okay, so the veggies have sauteed with the beef. I am now adding about half a cup of beef broth. And a little bit of, I can never pronounce it, Worcestershire sauce. I just put a little tiny bit in there. So I find it really, now it calls for tomato paste. But I think the secret is Heinz ketchup. It has more flavor and it really comes through in it. So I just squirt a good couple tablespoons in. And then I stir it all up. Sorry guys, this is kind of hard to do with one hand. So now I'm making the cheesy potato topping. So you'll need some cheddar cheese, some margarine or butter. In this case I'm using the Baysal Heart Healthy made with olive oil one because I already used butter in the other mixture. And I got some Northumberland 3% milk. It's a Canadian brand. I don't use the heavy cream that it asks for because I just find it's too much fat. And salt and pepper. And you don't need a watermelon. That's just sitting there. So I just mashed them. And I'm going to put basil in. I don't mash them too. I put about that much. See, I made this so many times. A couple tablespoons. I made this so many times that I don't really follow the recipe anymore, so I will make sure to link it down below for you. So that'll start to melt. Calls for a 1/4 cup. I just guess now. So, woo, we're steaming up. A little bit of salt. Some pepper. Doesn't want to work. There you go. Now I'm going to make it look a little more smooth. Woo, we're fogging up. I'm going to add the cheese now. Here's the cheese. I added a cup of cheddar cheese. So I'm going to go mash that in now. And there you have the cheesy, yummy topping to put on. So here is everything ready to be mixed together. I'm not sure how to do this and hold the camera. Kids are having a bath and a shower. Landon baths, Brooklyn showers. So what you just do is you take this mixture. I just use a foil pan. I just love how there's like no mess involved. So you just, I don't really have to show all of this. So what I'm going to do is cover the entire bottom, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It covers about half of the pan, and you just make sure it's all even. Now I'm going to go put the potatoes on the top. So here's the start of it. You just kind of got to make sure you get it all evenly over. So there's the cheesy potato mixture all spread out on the top. So now I find this looks a little funny. You don't have to do this, but I just kind of take this and make little swirls just to kind of give it, and it browns nicely too when you have little swirlies in it. There! Don't you find it looks better? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. So now what I do, recipe, I don't know if the recipe calls for this or not, but I just sprinkle some more cheese, just a little bit, on the top to give it some extra cheesiness. We love cheese in this family. Forgot to tell you that the oven goes on 400 degrees and it bakes for about 20 minutes until golden on top. Okay, so I just took it out of the oven. This is what it looks like. Nice and crispy and cheesy and yum, yum, yum. We'll see if the kids like it. So did you like your shepherd's pie? Was it super yummy? Here, I'm going to show you my favorite candle right now. It's the Ashland Fresh Linen Scent from Michaels. It smells so clean. Oh, I just love it. Do you love it?
It's so smelly. I can smell it. In my eyes.
It's on fire, dudes.
I can smell it.
It smells like fresh, clean laundry or something. I don't know. I love it. All right, we're going to...
Quizzy. Would you like a shower?
Thunderclouds.
Oh, shower? Can I take videos? Hi. We're going to pass it on to Landon. Let me just say hi. Landon's going to stay on here. Okay. Hi. It's... Walter's in it.
Is he?
See?
Walter.
Over there.
Say goodnight.
Good night. I'll see you in the morning. Good night.
What are we doing?
Watching Muppets.
Muppets Most Wanted. Yep. Haven't seen it yet. Good night, my princess. Mwah. We'll see you in the morning. Love you.
Love you.
There! That's our Tuesday. I hope it was a happy one for all of you. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing and sharing our vlogs. We really appreciate it. And if we can do that for you, just let us know in the comments. We don't mind at all. I hope you enjoyed our today. And we will see you tomorrow. Love you all. Take care. Bye.